Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm 43 years old and I have currently been a patient of wake plastic surgery for about 18 months. I had had a lap band put in almost 2 years ago and lost a little over 120 pounds. And I did it in quite a short period of time. I had been complaining for over 10 years that my back was killing me due to I had severe large breasts, and I went to chiropractors plus other plastic surgeons, and they all basically told me the same thing. I was too fat to have a breast reduction. So I had lost all the weight and I was shopping around for a plastic surgeon that I felt comfortable with, who would not say it's because you were overweight or whatever. And I went to the website, did a lot of research. I was looking for a younger doctor that was new, was interested in new techniques and not gonna, give you a lot of scarring. So I came to wake plastic surgery and I was impressed by it from the first time I even walked through the doors. And the doctor was just absolutely down to earth, very patient, understanding, warm. He went through everything. He couldn't believe I had lost so much weight. And he showed me pictures of other procedures. He just went through everything. He was very thorough. Then they submitted all the paperwork to insurance and I was approved. So since I was approved through insurance, I actually had the procedure done across the street at Wake Hospital, and I was there for one night. Just to keep an eye on me. I had no complications whatsoever. I don't even remember the whole thing, to tell you the truth. I went home the next day and I had to wear this funny little sports bra garment, but after that was taken off, the scars have completely gone away, and now I look like I'm 16 again. Then after that procedure healed, I came back because I was very comfortable with the doctor, and the whole staff here was pretty much was like family. They were just all very kind and warm and would answer my questions. So after that, I was at the gym every single day. I've been unemployed, so I decided I was going to hit the gym, and all this extra skin I had was just going to automatically disappear. Well, that didn't happen. So I came back and I decided I wanted to have my arms done, which the doctor was very truthful, and it was going to hurt. It was going to be a process because you're taking the skin from under the arm all the way down, and but as you can see, it's quite wonderful looking. It is a procedure that did hurt, but in the long run it is so worth it. I had a lot of extra skin hanging down there, and I was not comfortable in my own skin at all. I couldn't wear because of the breast reduction, I could fit into smaller shirts, but I couldn't wear the long sleeves because it was so tight because of the extra skin. I didn't like the way it looked. So that's why I had that procedure done. And then a few months after that, I came back once again because, once again, you can't fix some things with going to the gym every single day. So then I was inquiring about my tummy. So talked to the doctor about having a tummy tuck, and he showed me pictures once again of all the procedures that he has done, and they absolutely looked wonderful. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna do it. So I had my tummy done, which is absolutely wow. I could not imagine having another doctor do this, because he's a perfectionist, and I don't even have any stretch marks from when I had two back-to-back children. I had my children are 18 months apart, so after I had one, I had another one, and so I had stretch marks all over the place, and I don't even have any stretch marks at all anymore. Let's see, then after I had that procedure and healed, I had a couple spots in my lower back that had like the muffin top. So I had liposuction done on my back and right underneath my butt. And that was quite interesting, because you have these little tiny holes, but once again, I am so ecstatic, because I also had my thighs were quite large too, and he took all of that out, and so now I'm even smaller than I was after losing all the weight. So that absolutely turned out wonderful. I couldn't. I'm gonna start crying. I'm sorry. He's just a wonderful doctor. The whole staff here is so wonderful. I couldn't imagine coming anywhere else. My self-esteem was so low. And now, I mean, I can wear sleeveless shirts. I couldn't do that before. I was so embarrassed by the way I looked. And now I get compliments all the time.
And look at you now.
And anyway, wig plastic surgery was my only option for me. To me, I think they are the best at what they do here. And if you even come in for a consultation, I'm pretty sure that you'd choose them over anyone else.